It's currently 8 a.m. and I'm waiting for my first client. So let's do 5 clients today with me. Anyways, wait, patanong sa nails day. Extensions din eh.
Oo.
Discount pa na
Ang
nga.
galing
Mura na nga.
siya, iya.
Mura na nga. Na-ambush yun eh.
Correct.
So may extensions na diba? O sa imong length na one.
Aka nang dili ra kay siya short kay gaji mo good ko.
So kuan siya,
Para maka-
medium length siya.
Mm.
Okay, go. Then kato na yung design pa na to. Okay.
Or like kanang mauwam mo datan po ang iyang gas sa likod.
No.
Yes, kay driver
Siya sa imo. Tawon pero
ano tanggal kay as kay kog yan yun. Si Alma ka?
Okay, baby. I'm going to work now, ha?
But why are you gonna do it long first?
She's gonna cut my fingers.
Kini mo. Dark na pala. Dark?
Darker,
Do you know my name?
I forgot your name. Sorry.
But I'll tell you what's my name.
Okay, what's your name again?
My name is Vince Etienne Driving. That's my name.
Hi, Vince. You can play now. I'm going to work now, ha?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Can you give mommy a pretty nails?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to give your mom a pretty nails. Okay, watch your phone na. Okay, awa.
Gusto niyo sa Manila eh.
Ay, okay.
Yan lang.
Dili ka taga dire ay mo.
Ha?
Ah, okay, okay. Oh,
Sila
okay.
ko ng ano.
Oh, wow. One of this sampod na. Pero I'll use this na lang, ha?
Okay, alright. Polish like this one. I got it from your...
So, sa nails,
Mm.
so base yung ganto then on top of this.
Yeah.
Okay, encapsulated siya.
Sa dulo lang siya.
Okay, para siyang pa ombre effect.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, extensions, 'di ba? Okay. And then sa pwede mo, anong color?
Red lang.
Red lang.
And gel.
I mean like length ba? Gusto kag natural nails lang.
Sige, natural sa naman for now.
For now.
Yung ano siya now, no?
Mm.
Lagi.